Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, pull down your notifications and extend the list by swiping down on it once more, and you're looking for hotspot toggle. Now for me it is on the second page, so I'm just going to do a swipe to the left. As you can see, it's right over here. Hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, which from here you want to select Wi-Fi hotspot, and then most likely start over the hotspot password. Once you tap on it, it will reveal it, and I recommend completely removing it because it is absolutely terrible. So it's a bunch of gibberish, random letters and numbers, so it's easier to remove it and then set up your own. Now your password will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. So there we go. Now we have also hotspot name. This will be the name of the Wi-Fi that the phone will create. So that's the name that you will be looking in the Wi-Fi list. And then under advanced, we have 2 options, which I recommend keeping as they are. Turn off hotspot automatically. Recommend keeping that on because when you forget about your hotspot, the phone will automatically turn it off for you after like 10 minutes of inactivity, where it doesn't detect any phone being connected to it or any device. And then AP band, it's probably the only one. I know we do have another one, but I still recommend keeping it at 2.4. This will ensure that your hotspot will work with basically any device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. So you won't have problems in the future with some devices, for instance, being older and not being able to connect to it. So there we go. Those are all the settings. I'm going to quit this. And now, whenever you want to use your hotspot, find the toggle once more. And instead of holding it, you simply want to tap on it. And there we go. It is now enabled and you can connect to it. So that's about it. Now, once you're done with it, obviously you can either just wait for it to automatically turn off, or you can do it yourself by finding the toggle, tapping on it, and it will disable it. Don't need to check it anymore. One more crucial part here. When you enable your hotspot, it will turn off Wi-Fi because it uses the same antennas. So as you can see, it is right now, Wi-Fi is on. I'm gonna swipe to the side. I'm gonna enable hotspot. When I go back, you should see that Wi-Fi is now off. And same goes if I turn it off. After a second, it will re-enable Wi-Fi. And there we go. So when you're using hotspot, you will be only utilizing your mobile network. So something to keep in mind. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.